Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this edible frog egg slime. So keep watching, I'll show you step by step how to make this. So here's what you need to make this recipe. You're going to need some gummy bears. You're also going to need some chia seeds. This is optional, but it's a lot of fun. These are gummy frogs, and you're going to need some cooking spray. That's what we need, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is start off with a jar with a little bit of water in the bottom of it, and make it a sealable jar so you can close it. And I'm just going to take some of my chia seeds, just a few, and sprinkle in that water. A few more maybe. We can put our top on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Shake it up, and we'll have those chia seeds will start to soak up that water. It's best if you leave it overnight, but if you can only do it for about an hour or two, it will help a lot. Next, I have a bowl here that's microwave safe, and what I'm going to do is spray it with some cooking spray. Next, for our gummy bears, I'm going to use all the clear ones right now. I've separated the clear ones. Take this, put this in the microwave. You want to melt it down until it's completely melted in liquid state. Depending on your microwave, I would say 20 to 30 seconds, and just watch it. And after about 30 seconds in the microwave, you can see our gummy bears have melted down to a liquid state here. And what we want to do is we don't want to touch it with our fingers right now because it's very, very hot. So I'm going to set it aside, and we're going to get out our chia seeds that have soaked in the water. Alright, so I had my chia seeds in the refrigerator overnight, and I let it soak in that water, and they plumped up a little bit. Now we got to get some of these seeds and put it in our melted gummy bears while it's still nice and soft. They're going to represent the frog eggs. So I had to use a strainer just to get to these chia seeds, and I'll just have a good handful here, a spoonful I should say, and I'm just going to take that and put it in there with our melted gummy bears. We'll mix those in. Maybe put a few more in there. Now, you can serve this up in a number of different ways. You can serve it just like it is, or you can put it in a bigger dish or a fancier dish, whatever, and people can just scoop up some that they like to play with and eat. Or you can take these, and these are just little plastic disposable glasses, and you can serve them up this way. I do recommend spraying them with some cooking spray as well. And then scoop out a little bit and put in each one. Make sure you get some of those frog eggs in there, and as you see, you can play with it just like normal slime. I do suggest spraying your fingers first because it is very sticky. It's a very sticky slime, but that's what we're really going with here. Now we can decorate that a number of different ways. We can have a little frog here. You can also put maybe an eyeball around here too, who knows? Maybe there's a floating eyeball in the little pond where the frogs laid their eggs. I don't know. And you can also decorate your individual ones with its very own frog. I think that'll be cool too. Somehow. There you go. This is your edible frog egg slime. Really cool recipe to make for kids. You can play with it, you can eat it. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, now we got to play with it a little bit because it is edible slime after all. Look at that. You can see the frog eggs in there, which are just chia seeds, but really cool. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I think I'm going to dig into our edible frog egg slime now that we play with it a little bit. And then we get to eat it. So it is fun playing with it, I have to say. It's very therapeutic. almost like a fidget spinner, you know, spinning that around, so I can see the craze. But every part of this is edible, of course. We use chia seeds, which are edible, and these are just gummy bears melted down. It is rather sticky, so I do suggest spraying your fingers if you're going to play with it a bit with some cooking spray. It's good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this edible frog egg slime. It was a lot of fun making this. Not only can you play with it, but you can eat it too. You can serve it as a whole, or you can divide it up into little individual servings. Either way, everyone's going to love it. They're going to love being able to play with their food and eat it too. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And for the whole month of October, you get a new video every single day. For right now, check out some of the videos I have off to the side, including a Halloween playlist. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.